Welcome to Arch Zenith, where we explore creative ways to live beautifully and mindfully. Today's topic is one that resonates with so many people: how to decorate a small space in a way that feels stylish, sustainable, and affordable. Whether you're living in a studio apartment, a compact city flat, or simply working with a smaller room in your home, you don't need a big budget to create an eco-friendly sanctuary that reflects your personality. Living in a small space does come with unique challenges: limited storage, tight layouts, and the constant balancing act of keeping things functional yet clutter-free. When you add the desire to live sustainably on a budget, it can seem like a tall order. But here's the good news: with the right mindset and a few thoughtful strategies, decorating small spaces sustainably becomes not only possible, but also incredibly rewarding. In this video, we'll explore practical ways to reuse, repurpose, and rethink what you already have, while introducing new ideas that are affordable and environmentally friendly. From thrifting and DIY projects to bringing in greenery, choosing natural materials, and making smarter lighting choices, we'll cover it all. By the end, you'll feel inspired to create a cozy, stylish home that's gentle on the planet and easy on your wallet. Segment 1: Plan with Purpose. Every successful project begins with a plan, and decorating your small space is no exception. The first step is to look at your home with fresh eyes. Ask yourself, what do I already have that can be reused or recycled? That ladder gathering dust in storage could become a towel rack. Wooden crates could transform into open shelving. Often, the best solutions are already within your reach. Decluttering is another key part of the process. Small spaces can easily feel overwhelming when filled with too many items. Be intentional about what you keep, donate, or recycle what no longer serves you, and focus on quality over quantity. A simplified space instantly feels calmer, more open, and more functional. Once you've edited your belongings, sketch out your vision or create a mood board online. Collect images, textures, and color palettes that inspire you. Having a plan helps prevent impulse purchases, which not only saves money but also ensures that each item you bring into your home adds value and beauty. Planning is the foundation of decorating sustainably. It keeps you mindful and budget-friendly. Segment 2: Thrift and DIY with Intention. One of the most exciting ways to decorate sustainably is to embrace second-hand shopping. Thrift stores, flea markets, and online marketplaces are full of hidden gems. From vintage chairs to ceramic vases, these items often come with character and charm that mass-produced decor can't replicate. Plus, giving pre-loved items a new home helps reduce waste. DIY is another powerful approach. You don't have to be a skilled craftsperson to make something beautiful. A wooden pallet can become a coffee table. Old jars can turn into pendant lights or planters. Fabric scraps can be sewn into cushion covers. These small projects not only save money, but also give your home a personal touch that reflects your creativity. If DIY feels overwhelming, start with something simple. Paint old picture frames in fresh colors. Create wall art with pressed leaves or flowers. Or make your own hanging plant holder with rope. The point isn't perfection. It's about crafting something with intention and enjoying the process. Segment 3. Bring in the greenery. No sustainable decor is complete without plants. Greenery instantly brightens a room, purifies the air, and adds life to your home. If you're new to plant care, start small with hardy, low-maintenance varieties like pothos, succulents, or snake plants. These thrive in most conditions and require minimal upkeep. When floor space is limited, think vertically. Use wall-mounted planters, floating shelves, or hanging baskets to display greenery without cluttering surfaces. Even a small herb garden on your kitchen windowsill can be both practical and decorative. For an extra sustainable touch, repurpose everyday objects as planters. Old mugs, glass jars, or tin cans can make charming containers. It's an easy way to reduce waste while adding personality to your home. Caring for plants also encourages mindfulness and creates a calming daily ritual. Segment 4. Choose natural and recycled materials. When it comes to furniture and textiles, choosing sustainable materials makes a big impact. Reclaimed wood, bamboo, cork, and organic cotton are all renewable resources that bring warmth and texture into your space. These materials not only look beautiful, but also age gracefully. You can also find decor made from recycled materials, such as rugs woven from plastic bottles or cushions crafted from upcycled textiles. They prove that sustainability doesn't have to mean sacrificing style. If buying new, look for brands that prioritize ethical sourcing and certifications like FSC for wood products. Multifunctional pieces are especially valuable in small spaces. A bench made from reclaimed wood that also provides storage, or a folding table crafted from repurposed materials adds both practicality and charm. Each choice you make can reflect your values while maximizing functionality. Segment 5. Light smarter, live brighter. Lighting can transform how a small space feels. The best source of light is, of course, natural sunlight. Keep your windows clear of clutter. Use sheer curtains to let in as much daylight as possible, and add mirrors to bounce light around the room. For artificial lighting, switch to LED bulbs. They last longer, use less energy, and save money in the long run. For outdoor spaces like balconies, solar-powered lights are a great eco-friendly option. Adding dimmer switches or smart plugs can also give you more control over energy use. To make your lighting unique, shop secondhand for vintage lamps or fixtures. Pair them with lampshades made of linen, jute, or recycled paper for a softer, more sustainable glow. Lighting is one of the simplest ways to make your home both eco-conscious and inviting. Segment 6. Textiles and storage with a conscience. Soft furnishings add comfort and warmth, but they don't have to harm the planet. Choose organic cotton, hemp, linen, or recycled fabrics instead of synthetics. They're durable, breathable, and better for the environment. Think about upcycling old textiles instead of buying new. Curtains can become cushion covers, while worn-out jeans can be stitched into patchwork throws. Supporting local artisans who use natural fibers and eco-friendly dyes is another way to decorate thoughtfully. For storage, look beyond plastic bins. Woven baskets, salvaged wooden boxes, or fabric organizers make practical, stylish alternatives. Multi-purpose furniture, like ottomans with storage, or beds with built-in drawers, keeps clutter at bay while fitting neatly into a small space. Segment 7. Personal, budget-friendly finishing touches. The little details bring everything together. Instead of mass-produced wall art, create your own pieces from recycled materials, dried flowers, or old magazines. Frame vintage maps, postcards, or book pages for inexpensive but meaningful art. Temporary solutions, like removable eco-friendly wallpaper, can add visual interest without the commitment. Natural elements like driftwood, stones, or pine cones can be displayed as part of your decor, adding warmth and character at no cost. Even practical touches can reflect your eco-friendly values. A countertop compost bin, for example, reduces waste and supports a circular lifestyle. Don't forget scent, soy or beeswax candles, or a pot of simmering herbs can make your space feel even more inviting. And that's your guide to sustainable small space, decorating on a budget. Remember, it's not about chasing perfection or filling your home with expensive eco products. It's about making thoughtful choices, repurposing what you already own, thrifting, adding greenery, and choosing natural, renewable materials whenever possible. Small spaces can be powerful places for intentional living. By embracing creativity and sustainability, your home becomes more than just a place to live. It becomes a reflection of your values and a sanctuary that supports both you and the planet. Which of these ideas do you want to try first? Share your tips and thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Arch Zenith, and hit the bell for daily inspiration on stylish, conscious living. See you next time.